In today's video, I'm going to teach you new ChatGPT 5 features that will blow your mind and how to use them. Let's start with what's new under the hood. This version is much better at reasoning through complex, multi-step prompts and keeping track of longer conversations. That means you can hand it a chain of tasks and expect more accurate, logically consistent results. To take advantage of this, bundle your workflow into one request. For example, ask it to research a topic, propose an outline, and then draft the final piece based on that outline, all in a single prompt. If you need iterations, tell it exactly what to revise and why, and it will adapt without losing the thread. Next, content creation feels more polished than ever. It can produce high-quality blogs, scripts, emails, and marketing copy with precise tone control, from formal and academic to casual or persuasive. To get the best output, specify the format, the tone, your audience, and the goal in one detailed prompt. You might say you want a 2-paragraph email for busy executives, friendly but concise, with a clear call to action. If you include structure cues, like intro, key points, and closing, it follows them reliably and tells better stories. The model is also multimodal, so it can process text, images, and documents. This is great for screenshots, PDFs, and visual data. Upload your file, then ask for a summary, insights, or edits. Be explicit about what you want extracted, like action items, errors, or trends, and it will tailor the analysis. If a figure or table matters, mention it so the response prioritizes that content. You'll notice it's faster too. Response times are shorter, it handles large prompts more efficiently, and performance is steadier when usage spikes. To capitalize on this, combine multiple requests into one prompt instead of sending several back-to-back. Use clear headings and separators so it can process everything in one pass. Personalization is stronger as well. With consistent use, it adapts to your preferences and workflow. Reuse a structured prompt template, your voice, formatting rules, and quality bar, and refine it over time. The more consistent you are, the more reliably it aligns with your style across business, study, or content creation tasks. Finally, coding and problem solving are more robust. It generates and debugs code with greater accuracy, handles tricky logic, and explains concepts clearly. Share a minimal, reproducible snippet, describe the expected behavior, and ask for fixes, optimizations, or an explanation of the approach. You can request step-by-step reasoning or test cases to verify the solution. Put these together, and you'll work faster, communicate better, and get more reliable results with less back and forth. Now, try these tips on a real task and watch the difference.